The 2015 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, brake assist, intermittent wipers, rear head airbag, driver illuminated vanity mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.